Ever felt overwhelmed by the daily hustle and bustle, yearning for a peaceful outdoor retreat? In our fast-paced world, managing stress is crucial. A garden sanctuary can be your personal solution, a tranquil respite. Imagine transforming your garden into a sanctuary, a personal refuge from the stresses of everyday life. Creating a garden sanctuary isn't as complicated as it might seem. It's all about finding the right balance and making the space your own. When selecting plants, consider ones that not only appeal to your senses, but also thrive in your specific climate. Placement is key. Think about where the sunlight hits and how the plants will grow over time. Don't shy away from adding elements that bring joy and serenity. A water feature can create a calming ambiance, while a bird feeder can invite delightful feathered friends. Remember, this is your sanctuary. Choose elements that resonate with you, perhaps a hammock for lazy afternoons, or a garden gnome that brings a smile to your face. The idea is to create a haven that reflects your personality and serves as a refuge from the hustle and bustle of daily life. A well-planned garden sanctuary can offer a tranquil space right at your doorstep, fostering a deeper connection with nature. But it's not just about creating a beautiful space. A garden sanctuary offers an abundance of benefits. Imagine a sanctuary that not only elevates your mood, but also reduces stress. It's a serene place where you can truly unwind. And it's not just good for you. Your garden sanctuary can become a haven for a variety of species, increasing biodiversity right in your backyard. So, in essence, your garden sanctuary could be your secret weapon for stress relief and overall well-being. Ready to create your own garden oasis? Start small, let your space evolve over time. Perfection isn't the goal, your peace of mind is. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more garden inspiration. Here's to your health and happiness, one garden at a time.